Weather forecast in Nicaragua. Good morning, we are now live on TV. We will see here in the weather condition here in Nicaragua for a whole week. Let's take a look our chart. In Monday, it's gonna cloudy as we see we will end experiencing a storm. On Tuesday, about a 33 to 26 degree, we will experience a scattered thunderstorm in variation of 80%, density of 60%, and the wind at 24 kilometers per hour. At 11 a.m. in morning, next day in Wednesday, we will also be experiencing a scattered thunderstorm with precip of 40%, humidity 69%, and the wind about 26 kilometers per hour. From 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. At Thursday, May 29, 2025, we will only be expecting a light rain for 32 to 24 degrees Celsius. And Friday, May 30, 2025, it's gonna be a good weather condition because this will be a mostly cloudy but on afternoon, then will be a very light rain. At Saturday, May 31, it will gonna be fairly cloudy since start at 10 a.m. in the morning. We will be experience a 20% of variation of storm until 4 p.m. in the afternoon. On Sunday, June 1, we will be experiencing a heavy storm at 1 p.m. to 11 a.m. in the morning with variation of 70%, humidity 76%, and the wind 13 kilometers per hour. Stay alert for weather forecast. Student Change, Kavatak Jairan, your news support, and again, good morning.